ESCO Powdermax, powder weighing, balance, and closure.
Designed specifically for powder containment applications such as weighing, mixing, dispensing. Construction features. External. Electro-galvanized steel with Isocide antimicrobial coating for maximum durability and can eliminate 99.9% of surface bacteria within 24 to 48 hours of contact. Double hinge sash mechanism with arm ports. It allows safe and easy access to the work zone. Baffles. Improve airflow and prevent fume accumulation in the work area. Phenolic work top. 13 degrees angled front sash. It minimizes glares and reflections. Filtration system. It uses a HEPA filter to remove air particulates. Control system. Sentinel Silver microprocessor control system supervises the operation of all fume hood functions. Mobile cart. It has a foldable tray for storage and caster wheels for easy relocation.
Handle powders in a comfortable and stable environment with ESCO Powdermax, powder weighing, balance, and closure.